Hi, welcome back to my channel. Good to see you all. Today's video, I am going to share my very first junk journal that I made. And it was a travel journal, and it was a ring bound journal. So this was the very first one that I started, that I made. And I just added these little ribbons here. And then this actually is a bracelet that I got in Hawaii, but I got it on one of our previous trips. So I can't remember if it was our honeymoon or one of our other trips. So this travel journal is documenting, we went to Hawaii in 2019, May of 2019. So let's flip through it. So this cover and the back cover are chipboard, and I covered them with this scrapbook paper. And this paper I have had for years, probably over 15, maybe even 20 years, but I love it. Some lessons learned on making this is I did not make this sheet bigger than the chipboard so that I could fold it over. And so I had to kind of do some finagling on the edges to kind of how to cover up the chipboard. So that's a lesson learned. Like if you look real close there, you can see the chipboard. But I figured it out. I think I figured it out. Yeah. By the time I did the back, and so you can see on the back, hopefully you can see that, you can't see any of the chipboard because I made this bigger. So that was a lesson learned there. Let me get rid of here's some of the decorations I still want to put in here. As I find my Hawaii stuff from different trips over the years, like our, tickets and things like that, plane tickets, I stuff them in here. So I want to start playing in this journal. And playing around. This was a really cool, I found these, they aren't vintage, but they're vintage inspired postcards, and I thought those were really neat. I bought those in Hawaii, and I really like that patch. I want to do something with that. I haven't figured out what I want to do yet. And then these are just kind of some leftover photos. That's the view of our hotel pool at nighttime. And so let's flip through it. So I put this pocket here with all that stuff in it. And then I'm not sure how many pages that are in here. I'll have to count. I didn't count beforehand. But I just thought I'd flip through it real quick and show you. So this is my very first one. And like the pockets, I added them after, I think, and that's why they kind of end here. But I was, playing around with the washi tape. I had picked up some washi tapes. And here's another one of those vintage inspired postcards. And another pocket. And all these papers were papers I have in my stash. That's my youngest daughter, my husband. And then here I did a little side pocket and just stuck some different pieces in there, and a photo of a rainbow. We saw a lot of rainbows on Maui. And this lot of, pretty flowers and orchids. Here I had some old stamps, or this paper has the old stamps on them, but I just like the lines. Another, I think this might have been from a Tim Holtz package. And these are some old stickers I added here. I thought they went nice with this paper. And then here I added, this is an old die cut I had. So I added that here, and these seagull stickers. And then over here, these are some old beach inspired stickers. And then a map, and I put here because that's where we were. We took lots of walks on the beach every day. And then these stickers, I found these in Hawaii also. I haven't had the heart to use them yet, so I just have stuck them in here. I think I might scan them first. Now, but see this pocket, I had this pocket go all the way over. So, and then I left this as a flip up. So, and just added some different decoration pieces around here. Hopefully this will give you some ideas of how to decorate your own junk journal. So I tried to find all different, you know, Hawaii or flower. These are some other stickers that I found in Hawaii. This is who they're from if y'all want to try to order them online. And then some more stickers. And then this is a really old decorated envelope. Thought that was cute. I got a little pocket. I can put some stuff in there. Another pocket over here. Some more photos. And I still want to add my journaling in here. And what I tried to do is journal while I'm on vacation, because if I journal while I'm on vacation, then I'll remember everything, because otherwise I'll get home and get busy. So I took this journal with me. This was a Dylusions, or is a Dylusions journal, and it's by rangerinc.com, and you can see it's well worn. But I love using her ink sprays, and I'll decorate the pages and then I'll journal on top of them. So I have in here, you know, every day of our trip, you know, what we did. And so I want to take you know, excerpts from this, you know, like early morning snorkeling, saw turtles and tons of fish. So I want to take excerpts from these, and I don't think I'm going to rip them out of here. I think I'll just rewrite them and then put them in here is what I'm thinking about doing. But, you know, if you're not a big journaler, but if you are going on a trip, I recommend taking a small little notebook with you and just jot down, you know, like the restaurants you went to, the you know, food you ate, the activities that you did, things like that. Let me try to adjust this. I don't know, the glare might be a lot on this, if that's any better. Hopefully that's a little bit better for y'all. Kind of angle it here. So yeah, so I want to add the journaling into here as well. And then these are really old charms that I had, and I wanted to try to incorporate those. So I just glued that on there and added those there. Again, just some more pieces. And then I tried this, you know, tearing out and gluing it on, and I can do some journaling there. That's the view from our hotel room, by the way. It's beautiful. Another pocket, some more stickers. And this page, you know, the back of it is white. So, and the same with this page, is I took my ink stamps, these Distress Oxides, and I just took one of these sponge things and kind of dabbed around to get rid of all the white space on the back of these scrapbook papers. And I really like how that turned out. So I did some different techniques. Same with this one. This one I took a whole bunch of different colors, and I think I might have used a baby wipe on that. I can't remember now. More stickers, more decorations, and so I'll journal on these different white spaces here. And then, like, here's a picture of her she was practicing in the pool, I think. I don't think that's in the ocean. Yeah, I think that's the pool. So we had a lot of fun snorkeling. Here's some pictures, underwater pictures. And I added more washi tape and more stickers. And again, these are really super old stickers that I use. So it was fun to use up some of my old stash. And that's her snorkeling underwater. Oh, and then I had this as a flip up. So you can see the little fish. I don't think that one flips up. Oh, that one flips up too. And this is the state fish of Hawaii. It's called a humu humu Nuku Nuku Apu Aa. And I'm sure I'm not saying it exactly right, but it's close. Again, I'll do some journaling here and some more of these. So this is some sunglasses and flip-flops. This was a really cool little foresty area that led us to a beach. I just loved all that moss hanging down. Here, I'll do some journaling. And again, here I took a stencil with the ink and inked up this blank piece of paper. And I like the little dragonflies right there. And this was the restaurant we went to. Check the camera. Make sure y'all can still see okay. Another pocket. Like, that's a cute little piece of paper. So, yeah, this was my first journal. I really loved how it turned out. It was a lot of fun putting it together. So you can see, just kind of, you know, put different pieces of, you know, whatever I had, scrap paper, washi tape, made pockets, you know, ephemera that I'd collected over the years, and then just, you know, punched the holes. So it's a really simple, you know, easy journal to make. This is on top of, I forget the name of the mountain on Maui. You go up there and watch the sunrise, and it's just amazing. This is the sun coming up, but it was freezing cold. It was so cold, you all. It was so cold. Another pocket. More of our fun little stickers. The pool. And we tried to go to different beaches, hang out at the pool. And then I made a few short pieces just to add some interest so that they all weren't the same. And again, more stenciling and inking to cover up the white. And then I have space for journaling. So I might take you all along. Let me know if you're interested in watching me kind of add the journaling bits into this journal and doing even a little bit more decorating. Now, it's been, I guess, maybe going not quite 2 years since I've been doing journals, and so it'll be fun to kind of go back and add some more techniques that I've learned since I made this journal. So let me know if that'd be something. So I took my inks with me on my trip because I loved doing it, and when I travel for work I would take them with me. So I took them on vacation, and so a couple mornings out on our balcony I would work in my journal and decorate and spray and ink and stuff. So it's a lot of fun. And I've shown you, I think I have a video on some of the inking techniques that I do. And we had to take a picture every day of us in our dinner outfits. My husband thought that was hilarious because he had to take them. He was like, oh my gosh, another picture. It was funny. And this is a view from our hotel. And this, I took this scrapbook paper and just cut around, just playing around, give it a little bit of different interest, more inking. Here, I think this was a baby wipe. And that's the front of our hotel. And then I have a little pocket here. I like the flip up on the photos because then you still have room for journaling or whatever. We did s'mores on our last night there. And this is that vellum kind of paper. So this was my very first journal. I haven't flipped through it in a while, so that was fun. So yeah, let me know what you all think of it. I just thought I'd share it with you all. I think I might make another one too. It was kind of fun to make. So yeah, some of my lessons learned is you got to make sure you make your page, your paper cut big enough so you can cover up the edges of your chipboard. But this is a really simple, if you're just starting out, really simple journal to make. These jump rings, they're easy to get. You can get them at, you know, Office Depot or Staples. Dollar Tree, I think, sells them even now, or you can get them on Amazon, so those are easy to find as well. And then you just need a hole punch, And then you just need some scissors and some glue, right, to cut up, and then whatever decorations you have around the house. All right, well, I just wanted to share this with you all. You all have a great day, and I will see you all on the next video. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you're new.